Good afternoon now. It's half 12 in the United Kingdom. I quickly mentioned something to do with student status while in the United Kingdom yesterday on Facebook, but I realized that a lot of people are missing out in terms of having that information beforehand. And again, this is the reason why I'm on live today inside YouTube, to ensure that the students on international visa in the United Kingdom studying should, before the end of their visa leave, take advice from legal practitioner of our standard. My name is Tokunbo Olagbaye. My office is Brightway Immigration and Asylum Practitioners, and I'm on 0208 309 8808. 0208 309 8808. It is so easy to locate me in Woolwich, London, SC18. And the office mobile number is also on 07908 628 240. 07908 628 240. I quickly want to shed light on students in the United Kingdom, international students I mean. When I say students, I mean international students. Basically, a lot of international students lately are getting it wrong. They are not on the verge of getting advice before the end of their leave to remain as a student in the United Kingdom. And it's very important that while students came to UK to study, it is also crucial for them to take advice during the course of their studies so that they will not fall foul, have information that is relevant to their purpose of coming into the United Kingdom before the end of their visa leave to remain. The system we have under immigration laws at the moment does not allow students to have lawful residence 10 years, to claim 10 years anymore after, once you are in the UK. Your study is either you're on 5 years or you finish on at the end of your 6th. Maximum is 8 years for those who are doing PhD, but there is no 10 years leave to for lawful stay anymore. So people that want to put it together and say 10 years, there is no 10 years anymore. Let all your friends and family know that no one comes to UK recently or lately and calculate it to become to put it together for 10 years. You are not going to have your student visa renewed all the time in that manner. So there is no way you can prolong your study. So you have to get that right. Whilst you are in the United Kingdom, there is every possibility that you can change your status from student to a partner of somebody who is present and settled in the UK, to a parent of a British child, to a minister of religion. If you are in a faith line, in a belief line, in a ministry line of that nature, you can change. So tier 2 general, you can also change. If you find an employer that has a sponsorship license with the Home Office, which is the Secretary of State for the Home Department, you can also change. They say people are not aware of their rights, and as a result of that, a lot of people run out of status, and it becomes so difficult for them to regularize their status. While still in the UK and you still have leave to remain as a student, take legal advice. This is for students, international students, foreign students. Take legal advice. There are so many things you can do: an entrepreneur, a graduate scheme, a minister of religion. You could be a Imam, you could be Muslim. You don't have to be Christian to get a minister of religion tier 2 visa in the UK, providing that the church or the mosque is licensed. They have sponsorship license with the Home Office. You can easily do that. It is not a problem. So you need to get advice before your status run out. If you are in relationship, Article 8, with somebody who is present and settled in the United Kingdom, there is nothing preventing you from taking that opportunity and go ahead with it. So students, I am particularly about students because of what I saw yesterday in my office. About 6-7 students of different caliber came to see me. They are not aware of the fact that they're supposed to take advice before the end of their leave, and they have 3 weeks, 4 weeks to go. They are now raising panic. A lot of them have done MBA. If you have done MBA, what more can you do as a student? What can you change to? You can't go lower once you have MBA. The next thing you can do is to apply for PhD, and to apply for PhD for 4 weeks leave to remain to expire. It is so impossible because you have to submit your what is it called? You got to submit that what is it called? The summary of what you want to apply. You want to do your PhD on. You have to submit that beforehand. And if you don't submit that, there is no way you can have your PhD approved and commence your study. So it's so impossible, and a lot of people do not understand. Take advice. Foreign students in the United Kingdom, regardless of your country of origin, nationality, once you are from non-European country, My advice to you is that you should please take advice beforehand. It is important that you take advice before the end of your leave, so you will know what to do, how to deviate. If you are in a relationship with somebody who is present and settled in the UK and you still have leave to remain, you need evidence of 2 years of living together. You also, or you need evidence of a marriage between two of you, and then your application will come under 5 years parents route. You must take advice. And if you have a British child, your application will still come under 5 years parent route, because you still have leave to remain running concurrently. So while you are going in for application, your leave to remain is still there, so it's okay, it's fine, but you must take advice beforehand. Foreign students in the United Kingdom, please always take advice during the course of your study, so you will know what to do next. Take advice from legal practitioner outside your student's department, outside your student junior department. There is little that the student junior department will have in information at hand. They are different from people of our caliber that are practicing law in the United Kingdom, specialized in immigration and nationality law. Take advice. My office is 0208 309 8808, 0208 309 8808. Please take advice before your leave to remain is expired. Please take advice. This is so important. From time to time, I will be recording directly inside YouTube now, so that people will be aware of my presence in the society. The reason for my campaign doing this here, you might say it's marketing, that is fine. But the whole idea is to ease off the pain from the Home Office, because what Home Office is having is too much to control. So if practitioners of our caliber can come out and campaign and tell people, in the public or coming to United Kingdom, what they need to be aware of while coming to UK, I think it will ease off the pressure at the Home Office. It will also ease off the numbers of people. You reduce the numbers of people overstaying their status in the United Kingdom, because currently it is clear that there is high number of people overstaying status as a result of ignorance. As a result of ignorance, I would say, whether it's deliberate or intentional, it's almost coming to the same meaning at the end of the day. So please take advice. Take advice before the end of your status. Good morning to you. Afternoon, rather. So that is why I am on board today, and I'll come back again if I have time when I get to the office later on today, and still come to talk to you about things. But be aware, you can change from student status to a partner, to a married, to parent of a British child, to a tier 2 minister of religion, to tier 2 skilled worker person, to talented graduate, to entrepreneurship, to investment. So many things you can change to if you have money, you want to remain in the United Kingdom. But do not leave your visa to run out before you start taking advice. There's nothing called Article 8 on its own. A lot of lawyers advise you and say take Article 8 and put application in under FLRO. There is nothing called FLRO. So please take advice beforehand. If you don't have right to remain in the UK, you don't have Article 8 right. If you're not in relationship with somebody who is present and settled in the UK, you don't have Article 8 right. If you don't have a family life, you don't have a child that is present and settled in the UK, you do not have Article 8 right. So that is just that. So thank you, everybody. I appreciate you for listening to me. My name is Tokunbo Olagbaye. Everybody know me as Lawyer Tokunbo. My office is located in Woolwich, Brightway Immigration and Asylum Practitioners. My telephone number in the office is 0208 309 8808. Please call in and book appointment. Consultation is only £50. Thank you so much. Bye for now.
just trying to end it.